Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Xtig, and we're here to unbox the Huawei Freelace, which is one of those wireless um, wrap around your neck type of devices. And well, for this one, this just came out this year, and currently, as you can see, it's kind of big for a type of wearable device because you just need practically this one. But we're trying to find out why the box is so big. That's why we're doing the unboxing. So for this one, before we initialize it, opening the box, to just give you some facts that this wearable device comes in two colors, which is graphite black and the amber sunrise. So as you can see, it says it has Huawei High Pair, which means you could pair it immediately to a Huawei device or a Bluetooth device, depending on the configuration. It says 18 hours of playback, which is actually really nice because most of the wireless devices right now would only last about a few hours. And this one also has fast charge. So let's try to know what does fast charge mean. Does it mean that you can charge anywhere, or you could use you can charge it with the device itself? Let's see. So we're gonna open it up. As you can see, it's a really big box, and the plastic is really tough. Okay, there you go. Probably should use a knife or something. Okay. And as you can see, well, they're still using a lot of plastic for this one. So in terms of the packaging, it's aesthetically pleasing, but I think it's a little bit too much. So let's open it up. Okay, so there you go. You have the outer box. So you have now here the inner box, where you can see. Wow, that's really nice. It it's really metallic, actually. So let's just pull it out. Okay, it's actually longer than I expected because this one looks like hmm yeah, seems fair. Now, okay, keeps going back to that position. So I think the reason why it goes back to that position is because it has this metal memory to make sure that it doesn't tangle or coil up. So it's actually good because for earphones or headphones that has cords, the cords actually tangle up. Now this one actually has metal memory that stays in this position no matter whatever thing you do with the Freelace. Okay, it just goes to that circular or this one, and it says it has something like a metallic. Oh, okay, so it snaps on when you're not in use, and according to the description, when it's snapped on, the music would actually stop. So it actually saves a lot on your battery. Now, it also has three buttons. Here, have the volume up and down. You also have the power. So it's really convenient. Um, it's self-explanatory. It's actually really cool, given that there's only two colors, but hopefully there will be more. This one is really practical for people on the go, especially if you don't want something dangling in your ear like those AirPods or the free buds that I previously featured here, and it's actually really nice. So okay, remove plastic here. Just there. Okay, so there you have it. So you see the simple buttons here for the volume. You have the power, and according to this one, you can charge it. Okay, so you can charge it via USB Type C. I believe that's also how you would charge it in other devices. Let's see if there's also some accessories here. Okay, so uh, of course inside the box you have your warranty, you have your instructions, you have your spare buds or pieces that you could use in case of if it's too big or too small, or some extra pieces that you could actually just use just in case you might lose these things. And of course we have the charging cable, which is a little bit smaller than expected and shorter. I think it's okay. So yeah, because it's a USB Type C, just grab this one, plug it in, and plug it to your power source. Although I'm a little bit concerned because this one detaches, and let's say if it's not connected here, it could actually get lost. So but but I think that's okay because you only charge it when you're really out of battery. And according to this one, it lasts for 18 hours, which is really good. Um, Likewise, in terms of portability, I think it's still okay. However, I really wanted that this device has its own casing, so you could bring it anywhere you go without the fear of breaking it or twisting it too much, just like the AirPods or the other um, in-ear devices. So that's the only thing that I wanted that they have. That I wanted that they should include in the future for this type of wearable device. And okay, so that concludes the unboxing. I'm sorry for the messy setup, but again, we'll give you a full review of the Huawei Freelace soon, and hopefully you would like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll be happy to answer all of your questions regarding the Huawei Freelace. And okay, just some quick facts before we close this video. Um, this is this this device is also IPX5 rated, so it's waterproof at some point. So that's good because you could use it during your workouts or you're running outside or if it's raining. So you could be assured that this one could resist water damage. It also has wind noise reduction, and like I mentioned, it can be charged using USB Type C. It has the magnetic sensor. It's tangle free, and you can also plug and charge this one on a USB Type C phone, which is actually nice because if you are low on power for this device and you only have your phone and you don't have a power bank, you can just plug it to your phone and it will be charged. And it actually has quick charge to make sure that you could actually get more of your music. And we're gonna test this one in terms of quality of sound, how how long it could be used, and yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about the Huawei Freelace if you have tried it. So please like, subscribe, click the bell icon. And again, thank you for watching. This has been Florencio, and this has been XD.